Hello guys, it's Enrique and I'm really excited. Sorry for the pause, but I'm really excited because today is the 4th of July. And so I did this real quick before the actual fireworks, so I just wanted to say hi to you guys. Oh guys, don't forget to like or comment comment which one you want me to do, sing or do the pie face. And yeah, also you could also like my comment if you want. The comment is on the Real Revenge on Pokemon Tycoon. It's part 3. So if you want to go see and like the comments. Now, if you can't really see, it's pouring outside, or maybe you can't really see, but it's pouring outside. If you can't really hear it, that's what I mean. So I'm gonna start recording again. I'm gonna start recording again while fireworks are going on. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So I will see you guys in 1 second. Which I actually think I forgot to say one thing, but I can't remember to say. Yeah, okay, so yeah, I'll see you guys in 1 second. Alright guys, so we're back and the fireworks just started. Isn't this amazing? This is so cool. 4th of July fireworks. And it's actually raining. If you can't believe it, it's actually raining. Yeah, I know the fireworks are pretty blurry. Yep. There they are. It's amazing. Now, we didn't see fireworks last night, so this is our second time in a row seeing fireworks. But yesterday was the day before 4th of July. Now, they are pretty loud. So I think you might want to turn your volume down a little bit. No, I might actually do a part 2 of this, because this is actually pretty cool, because I want to see the end. They actually started when it was pouring. So, yeah. That's when they started. Alright, so are they... Okay, never mind. I'm about to say, are they done? Because I would have been really disappointed, because it's only been like 1 minute. So, yeah.
Come on, Nick.
Oh, okay, they're not on. Okay, there we go. They're back on. Very cool. See? Can't see them, guys. There they are. Alright, so guys, I am gonna do a video tomorrow about a few things you did not know about Minecraft, because there is a few things I know that you probably did not know about Minecraft that I found out on my own. It's pretty cool. About things that I found out. They're pretty cool. Sorry if you can barely hear my voice, because the fireworks are so overly loud and it's still raining outside. Hopefully there's not a raindrop on the camera, because if there is, it's going to be a big problem. There they are. I just can't wait to show you the end, because the end would be amazing. I'm trying to keep the camera still, but I can't because I'm excited. Whoa, that was a pretty loud one right there. Wow. Sorry, I'm not the best cameraman when it's raining. Because when it's raining, I like having my hands in my pocket. Wow. That was pretty cool. Sorry if you see my finger. Hope you didn't. Whoa, that was a huge one. Wow. This is pretty cool. Wow. hopefully that was not the finale. Because, oh, never mind. Because if it was, I would be pretty sad. But that would have been pretty short. This is pretty cool. Alright guys, so I might have to end the video actually pretty soon because I don't have too much room on my camera. It's cool, they're all turning red, white, and blue. I couldn't think for a second. Actually, they're turning red, white, and green. And yellow instead of white. Oh, there's some white. This is cool.
Nick, stay over here.
Alright guys, I might have to actually end the video pretty soon. It's getting a little long. I did this one part.
Nick, stay over here.
So guys, if you can't see fireworks and you can't go anywhere, this will be the video for you. Like if you're busy on the 4th of July, this will be the video for you. Wow. Alright, so guys, I think I might have to end the video right here. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Just don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. These fireworks are amazing. I'll make a part 2. Don't worry, guys. I'll make a part 2. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I said it 3 times. Alright, guys.